A beautiful day in Hawaii calls for a little exploring. Just beyond Aulani, only a few minutes walk, is the Ko Olina Center. It's a small stretch of shops and restaurants that offers a refreshing change of pace. Here you'll find the Island Market, clothing boutiques, Starbucks, Black Sheep ice cream, and great dining options including Monkey Pod Kitchen. As you leave Aulani, the Ko Olina Center sits just across the street, about a quarter-mile stroll. It's easy, quick, and perfect for a relaxed wander.
So we're here at the Ko Olina Markets. Map. Again, there it is.
Do you need dinner?
Do I need dinner? Maybe. Are you having fun on your first day? Ladies are in here. Pineapples, boutique shopping. Two of the Mai Tais from Monkey Pod. Lila's got it. What is that, Lila? Blue Monday. Water for the little guy. He's had enough sugar.
Right there.
Wait, what?
Okay, see like the stars kind of orangey, reddish?
Yeah.
That's part of Scorpio, plus like the 3 stars that are right here. And then usually
You can see
I
a lot
can't
of
see
stars.
much past, like, so there's the 3 stars, that's Betelgeuse. And then there's these stars here.
Oh yeah, there is. Why is it called Beetlejuice?
I don't know.
Don't say that anymore. How many times do you guys say Beetlejuice?
You're right,
Beetlejuice.
No!
that was like last time.
But usually I can't see much past like the 2 stars here, but look, it comes all the way over here and around.
I don't see anything though. Okay.
The Ko Olina Center makes for such an easy excursion from the resort. While you're out there, don't forget to slow down and appreciate the beauty around you. Till the next adventure, thanks for spending your time with us.